Hello friends, welcome to Steno Aspirants. Be ready? Start. Nature is an important and integral part of mankind. It is one of the greatest blessings for human life. However, nowadays humans fail to recognize it as one. Nature has been an inspiration for numerous poets, writers, artists, and more of yesteryears. This remarkable creation inspired them to write poems and stories in the glory of it. They truly valued nature, which reflects in their works even today. Essentially, nature is everything we are surrounded by, like the water we drink, the air we breathe, the sun we soak in, the birds we hear chirping, the moon we gaze at, and more. Above all, it is rich and vibrant and consists of both living and non living things. Therefore, people of the modern age should also learn something from people of yesteryear and start valuing nature before it gets too late. Nature has been in existence long before humans, and ever since it has taken care of mankind and nourished it forever. In other words, it offers us a protective layer which guards us against all kinds of damages and harms. Survival of mankind without nature is impossible, and humans need to understand that. If nature has the ability to protect us, it is also powerful enough to destroy the entire mankind. Every form of nature, for instance, the plants, animals, rivers, mountains, moon, and more holds equal significance for us. Absence of one element is enough to cause a catastrophe in the functioning of human life. We fulfill our healthy lifestyle by eating and drinking healthy, which similarly, it provides us with water and food that enables us to do so. Rainfall and sunshine, the two most important elements to survive, are derived from nature itself. Further, the air we breathe and the wood we use for various purposes are a gift of nature only. With the technological advancements, people are not paying attention to nature. The need to conserve and balance the natural assets is rising day by day, which requires immediate attention. In order to conserve nature, we must take drastic steps right away to prevent any further damage. The most important step is to prevent deforestation at all levels. Cutting down of trees has serious consequences in different spheres. It can cause soil erosion easily and also bring a decline in rainfall on a major level. Polluting ocean water must be strictly prohibited by all industries straight away, as it causes a lot of water shortage. The excessive use of automobiles, ACs, and ovens emit a lot of chlorofluorocarbons, which depletes the ozone layer. This in turn causes global warming, which causes thermal expansion and melting of glaciers. Therefore, we should avoid personal use of the vehicle when we can switch to public transport and carpooling. We must invest in solar energy, giving a chance for the natural resources to replenish. In conclusion, nature has a powerful transformative power which is responsible for a functioning of life on earth. It is essential for mankind to flourish, so it is our duty to conserve it for our future generations. We must stop the selfish activities and try our best to preserve the natural resources so life can forever be nourished on earth. Stop.